Stay tuned.
A new day. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to check
Subscribe.
your Bece Wassce and N0V results by using your Android phones, your smartphones or iPhones or keypad phones to check your results without using the internet. It's just a pin code, so stay tuned so that I'll teach you the various steps to follow. First of all, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video. Share, likes and comment if you have any difficulty in signing up or following the prompt. First of all, you have to go to my phone where your call logs are. You go down. Now we are going to input the pin code, which is *928*123#. *928*123#. You press enter. You wait for the prompt to pop up. Now the pop-up show that to mommy. First of all, number 1, check result. Number 2, buy checker. Number 3, SHS placement. If you didn't if you check your result and you are not having any school, you can place yourself using the third options. 4, become a wholesaler. 5, retrieve pin. And 6, if you are having any difficulty in doing all of the stuff, you can contact them using the option 6. Now our main focus is on checking our results, but first of all you need to buy the checker, which is the number 2. So you press the number 2, you buy your checker. After buying the checker, they will send it through SMS to you. Then you come back to the same procedure and click on number 1, check results. This is our *928*122#. After it has shown up, you click on option 1, which is our check result. We are going to check our Bece result N0V. Exam type, we have to have Bece school, Wassce school, and Wassce N0V. The schools represent public schools. All the public schools. So for Bece candidate we choose option 1. For Wassce candidate we choose option 2. N0V you choose option 3. But I'm doing it purposely for the Bece, so let's choose option 1. You have to enter the index number used to write whether the Bece, the Wassce or the N0V. You have to enter your index number. For instance, let me enter mine. That's mine. I'll copy it. You have to copy it so that it will be needed, and then the second step too. So after you repeat your index number. So you paste the index number here again. You press enter. Now enter your exam, a year of exam. That means the year you took your examination, whether the Bece you have written it at the year 2019, 2018, 2005, all the years. Enter the year. So as for me, I have completed
Subscribe.
2019. So I'll choose 2019. Choose your Momo wallet for your payment. The payment is 20 cedis, as noted over here. Payment is 20 cedis. So whether you buy it from your main account, the sim you are using now, or you buy it from, you are buying it from another man's or another phone, which is the order. So I'll press self, wait for the prompt to pop up. Please wait if prompt for to complete payment. If no prompt, dial star 70 hash, you choose option 6 wallet, then wait for the approval. So I waited for the option, but it's not yet pop up. So we go to your wallet, please start 170. We are going to our approvals to complete the payment option, so that they will check our result for us, which will be sent through SMS for us, and they will drop a link for a PDF, the result of your PDF form for you, so that you can go and print it. So let's go to my wallet. Now we choose option 3, which is of approvals. My approvals, which is here. My approvals. So you choose it. Let's go. Now enter your Momo pin to get the approval list. Now you send it. Yeah, that's all the steps in doing so. Check out now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Bye. Bye for now.